Hi guys, I'm back. So in this tutorial is a part 2. So we're gonna do is a current control circuit by using TL431A capacitor. It's 10 microfarad capacitor, and this one is a MOSFET sensor driver circuit. So using LM358P. So I'm gonna do a current control circuit first. Control circuit diagram is this one. So I can post it. And now I'm gonna open it. We have 10K resistor. We have 22K resistor. So 10K ohms resistor and then 22K resistor. And then the TL431A connector and breadboard. So I'm gonna put the transistor like that. You bend it with this leg. Put it here in the middle. And then bend the leg. And then you put the 10K resistor. 10K resistor is gonna be here next to the reference. Then this one, that 22K resistor will be on this side. You can see that, guy. See that? See that, guys? Then you put the connector here. See that? Like so. Then you put the capacitor here. Then you bend the leg. So here, guys, capacitor. The negative is on the opposite to the connector, like that. And then the reference transistor, and then the copper resistor here. Don't put it the wrong place, so you need to put it in the right place, like that. And then you solder here. So when you solder that, it will be like this. Okay, you're gonna do it like here, so you can pause it. So here you have the connector, so 1, 2, 3, and then the reference transistors will be like here, 1, 2, 3, and then this is the capacitor. Okay, this is the capacitor. Okay, and then this is a 10K resistor. 10K resistor. 2. Where is it? This one. 2.2 K resistor. The legs of the reference. This is the capacitor. Okay, this is the connector. Okay, I just put this wire here for the output, because this is gonna be the output. Okay, guys, so you can see here the diagram. So this is the current. As you can see here, current and driver output. This is the current driver output from here to here. And then this one, the two of this one is a positive for the 12 volt, and then this one is the negative. Okay. And then you need the potentiometer, but you need the 10 turns potentiometer. You can hook this up direct here. I just like put it resistor, but you can put this wire in here. Okay, this is the number 1, number 2, and then number 3. Okay, the number 1 will be the negative, then the number 2 will be that's the output, and then this is the 2 resistor. So like it's gonna be here, see here. So this is the 1, 2, and then 3. Okay guys, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then what we're gonna do is MOSFET sensor driver circuit. As you can see here, I have already made, and then here you can see I have 4 OpAmps already here. So I have these 2 already, and then I have another 2. So here guys, I have another 2 here. You can see there's 2 OpAmps. So this is my previous DIY. So I used the whole board here, but it's super complicated to you guys, but I made it without the video, so sorry for that. So I use only this potentiometer here. But I use the heatsink here. This is the heatsink before. Put that here, and then I put another one to the other side, so it's like here's like sandwich, so sandwich like that together, but I don't like that. So this heatsink get super hot, so I make the massive heatsink, this one. So here, so you can see it's a massive heatsink. You can see here. So that's gonna hold the MOSFETs. Okay guys,